everyone. Hello everyone. In this particular section of tutorial, we will be seeing how we will upload figures, equations, and to change language. Okay, in trigger exam. So we will upload the question manually. Firstly, we created the test, and now go to actions, add question manually. Okay. So for now, I have this English language selected English. I'm going to select my subject. Topic is automatically subjected filled. Positive marks is 1, negative marks is 0. So all the things I have filled. So in this question, I have nothing to do with this. Now, I have to suppose put let's say I have to put this question. Okay, this one. So I'm just copying it, just pasting it here. You can see the equation is coming like this. Why? Because equation, in the case of equation and figures, you cannot play simply like this. You have to be involved with, you have to learn a simple tool which you can like simply type in your search box, snipping tool, SNI. When you type this, it will be appearing here. So in my case, I have already plugged in my toolbar. So for this, I just opened it, and now I am going to open this, and yeah, so I just opened it, and what I will do, I will simply pick this equation from snipping tool, because you cannot type this equation simply. Okay, so I took this one. Okay, and the equation was here, just pasted it over here. Okay, simply in options also you can copy paste these things 1 by 3 times, 2 by 3 times. So likewise you can copy it. Okay, or if the correct answer of this particular question is B, you can involve the option. You can also paste the figure. Suppose in this option there is a figure involved. Suppose, let's say this figure is involved in this particular, suppose this equation is involved in this particular question. So what we will do, we will just pick this option. Okay, and we will be, suppose in this C option, this is the C option, so you can simply go with this. Okay. Let me paste it here. First I have to enable the CK editor, then only it will be going to work. Okay. See, so this is how you can also paste image in the options. Okay, likewise you can also paste image in the options and in the question also. So we can play it like this, and when you submit it, it will be like question added successfully. Okay, so like if you want to select another in Hindi language, you can also, if you want to select in Tamil language, you can also select in Tamil. For that you have to create uh, languages in the test, which language you want to choose. Okay, so whatever you will choose, you can like